Hey, real talk, the first time you hear the RP-8060FA, it doesn't hit like a gimmick or a change. It hits like clarity you didn't even realize you were missing. This is for you if you've stopped settling for basic sound and you want your audio to feel like it belongs in your space, not just played through it. Before anything else, check the current price and stock. Speakers like this don't stick around forever, and waiting often leads to paying more or losing availability entirely. You didn't wake up one day craving Dolby Atmos. What happened was you noticed little things first. Mid-range dialogue that felt distant. Soundtracks that sounded good but not alive. Movie scenes that looked cinematic but never felt cinematic. You found yourself turning the volume up, hoping louder would fix something deeper. Once these are in your room, that instinct changes. You stop turning knobs, stop chasing louder, and start experiencing spatial sound that's anchored and direct. The built-in Atmos elevation isn't a gimmick, it's the difference between sound happening around you and sound happening with you. There's weight to effects, solidity to instruments, and lifelike presence in voices or scores that makes everything feel intentional. Think about real life with these in your setup. You host movie nights where sound conveys scale without distortion. You play games where you can feel direction and depth instead of guessing where audio is coming from. Music feels more layered and open, not just loud. Even quiet listening feels complete, like the room is finally tuned to what you're playing. It stops being background decoration and becomes part of how the room feels. If this idea is already in your head, don't let availability decline or pricing shift before you make a move. Quality like this often leaves shelves before most people realize it was available. You might ask yourself if all this premium sound technology is really necessary. That doubt evaporates once you experience how controlled and purposeful the performance is. The surprise isn't just the power, it's the precision. Nothing sounds hollow, nothing bleeds into another frequency, and the 90 degrees x 90 degrees horn projection means every seat becomes a sweet spot. There's also something unexpected that happens over time. You start caring about what you listen to, not just that you're listening. Playlists become experiences. Films become more immersive. Games become more tangible. There's a shift from hearing to feeling, and that's where pride of ownership really lands. You feel different when you own something built with this level of engineering. Your sound feels alive, not boxed in. Your movies feel cinematic without strain. Your games feel directional and layered. Your music feels dimensional and open. Your setup finally feels intentional and complete. Sure, they're a meaningful investment. And yes, they deserve a room that lets them breathe. But at some point, you stop comparing lesser options. Every time you consider something smaller or simpler, you already hear what it won't give you. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you postpone and later wish you'd acted on sooner. Check the availability, listen to the part of you that knows what good sound actually feels like, and choose the speakers that finally let your audio live where you do.